Kublai pi baro, ngi pediang saubai pi syakani katup kubor mentaka jan mit. Syua bangin sedang tuminya pai syikimat bakongsan. Kieu ke jingla ban kot naka klam COVID-19 syaka nyokupra naka shispa hapo kari. Sau puing ngut ki briu kentup ya ki nong tray kilaya bit ya ke jingpang klam COVID-19 haraj Bhavan Shillong. Pelat Pajba ka Rama Krishna Mission Sora ya ka jing puli online lengba ka wifi bala ai kerteng ka hikai. Bat play Pajba bat penmi UMLA ka Jowai uba wailat Miki Shilla ya ka softy t-shirt jong ka seng Bouncers Association of Meghalaya ka Rilom Jaintia. Ki kubor babnya ka sarkar mentaka sngi kala ong baka jingla ban kot nyo naga jingpang klam COVID-19 hapo kanikari kala kot syaka nyopupra naka shispa. Hakine ki arpusaw kenta bala dep palat ya ka nyopunyo hajar ngut kinong pang COVID kila kot nyo. Katanat ka kot ka kia jong kari kala ong baka jingbon jong ki brieu ki bala kot nakane ga jingpang kala kot syaka lai punyo lak prapo hajar ngut. Kani ke jingkiu jong ki brieu ki blakot na kani ke jingpang kala penti kena baka jingbuan ki nongpang hakari ki lahyar badminta ki badang pang dang shitom ki long satang arpo point lai rio na ka shispa katkum ka ICMR hagini ki arpusaw kenta badang shudep lala ban pendep palat ya ka khandai lak nyopupra hajar teli ki test ki nuksa sample baladep test hado menta ki lapoy syaka sanklur nyopu arlak teli. Kumbah nyopuwe ngut ki briu kentup ya ki nong tray ki he ki han bat ki pulit jong ka Raj Bhavan Shillong la lap ba ki laya bit ya ka jingpang klam COVID-19. Menteri katanat ka kot ka kya jong ka jilla uba AL hek ulaong ba lai pong ngut ki briu la lap ba ki laya bit ya ka ni ka jingpang hakasngi sat jan kat ba khatwe ngut la lap hakasngi ublay. Katkum ka jingat ho uba hek la lap ru ba ulat ka jilla ulapaw negative Katba ya kajaka barok kaway la penkalano siya kajaka belasya kangdam la ne containment zone. Bon na kinong tray kibla lap bakila don ya kanika jingpang lapha si ka Corona Care Center kiba per.
The total positive cases been detected 41. The first day was told 30 and the second day was 11. The total is 41 cases been detected. So now we have no option, only for we have to contain the entire area. As per the official information, only the Honorable Governor is not tested positive. He is negative and others been tested positive. I know a few of them been sent to IIM, some of them they have been staying at home and somebody sent to the Corona Care Center.
Ka Rama Krishna Mission Sora mentaka sngi kala palat Pajba ya ki jingpuli online lengba ka wifi ka bom don kam shu ya ka internet connection ban yo pin don kam ya ki jingpuli online lengba kane ki khana school ki la ban ya shimbanta lang ringkat bat ki nohikai ki ba ai jingnang jingtip lengba ka jingpuli online bala ai kerteng ka hikai kane ka program kan penyajan ya ki khana ki basa hasor bat hanong kendong lengba ki core technology Uba Alexander Mukim ubalong USDO ka Sora Civil Subdivision ulong ukongsan hagani ka sngi. Ki way pat ki balaya don kti ki kentup ya uba Arbis Tangdara ubadai umatabor jong ka Sobar bat uba PS Lingdo ubadai udukot jong ka Ramakrishna Mission Ashrama.
Students, the Matabors of Sopar and all those who are gathered here today to witness this unique kind of a presentation or a demonstration known as IKAI or Hybrid Interactive Knowledge Assimilation Initiative brought to you by Ramakrishna Mission, a collaboration both from Sora and I believe from Shillong. So I take this opportunity to be part of that launch, to be part of that initiative.
MLA kanong ba Jowai wailat Miki Shilla matakasngi ula play pat ba bat palat ru ya kasop t-shirt jom kaseng Bouncers Association of Meghalaya BAM jom kasnat trekam ha Jaintia Hills haringkat ka jingadon lang jom Deputy Commissioner ka West Jaintia Hills District uba Garot LNS Dykes bat ki weipat ki balaya sya khot sngoba haba ai jingkren hagadi kasngi uba wailat Miki Shilla ula yaro shibun ya uyusar kenjing nakabenta ka jingalam linti jong u nakabenta ka jing mentoy jong ki samla samhoy ban kieu hakawe pat kerinsan da ka bawanra ya kum kini giseng ki ban sa ai kam ai jam ru nakabenta kitu ki ba shat baklan hakamet ka phat lane ya ki riu ya le kai sport kham ashwa uyusar kinjing president jong ka BAM ula penmi patba ya ka sernot itu jong ka ni ka seng badang thau thamai hakani ka district ki weipat ki blakren hakani ka sngi kede Deputy Commissioner West Jaintia Hills District uba Garot LNS Dykes u president jong ka seng BAM uba J Kharlukhi u daloy ilaka Jowai uba Puramon kinjing bat uba Pitoy.
These are the major problems we're facing for our state government. Kateto unemployment. Bones get income economic man. Na kamta na joint conference ko man the town area. The one people chana out of 100, 99 of them will come for government job or any other job. Kateto the problem. Ma ikre inga. Lalu you can tam ne. You pray.
Sa shisin pat uba wan prang ke ding do ubala yo padiang yaki khusnam documentary non-fiction filmmaker uba deiru music producer ulas dang ban penkhi phalo biang haka perthei baro ka we ka 108 media kala yo yaka hok long try ban penyat yo yaka film ka bakhado e jong u ka lorli de flaneur ka RNU DDK Shillong kala yo lat banyakren bat u halor ka jing sngaw jong u shapang ki kamshna film bat ki jing job ki ba ula yo mat tung nya ngap ya ke e ka ba udon ban kren.
So I'm extremely happy that my film has been able to do the rounds in the festival circuit. It's been picked up for international sales and distribution by 108 Media from Singapore, and it makes it one of those few films rather that is being shot in Shillong. Definitely the first that is being shot in Shillong, and one of the few films from the region that has been able to get itself an international sales and distribution deal. So I'm extremely humbled. But yet at the same time, extremely honored as well that I've been able to somehow put Shillong on the filmmaking map of the world.
Katanat Puli Philosophy jong ka Lidikin College Shillong kala penlong dangshen ya ka international webinar halor kapang padeng Science and Spirituality Strategic Partners in World Peace and Prosperity ya kane ka webinar la penlong haki arbenta ka benta ka baningkong ka day halor ka Shipho Usha Bhattacharya Memorial Lecture balakren da u Professor SR Bhatt Shongknor Barim jong ka ICPR New Delhi kabenta kabaar lakren de Professor Ananta Kumar Giri jong ka Madras Institute of Development Studies Chennai ublakren halor kapang inter-religious dialogue. Mentapat nginya pechwa ya ka jinglong jingman ka sun meneng ha Shillong. Ka jingshit kalong 40 degree Celsius bat ka jing kriat kalong khat pra point iwe degree Celsius. Ka jing sngam ka haw kalong khandai pusan na ka shispa ha kapor min step bat nyaw punyaw na ka shispa ha kapor janmit. Ka jing hap slap kalong r point pra millimeter. Ka sun meneng kan dumlo ha Shillong bat ki jaka bamarjan. Shwaban penkut nginya phai biang sa shisin chekimat ba kongsan. Kieu ka jingla ban kwat na ka klam COVID-19 shaka nyaw pupra na ka shispa ha po kari. Sau puwing ngut kibriu kan thup ya ki nong tray kilaya bit ya ka jingpang klam COVID-19 haraj bhawa di Shillong. Pelat pat ba ka Ramakrishna Mission Sora ya ka jingpuli online lengba ka wifi bala ai kerteng ka hikai. Bat play pat ba bat penmi UMLA ka Jowai uba wailat Miki Shilla ya ka sopti t-shirt jong ka seng Bouncers Association of Meghalaya ka rilom Jaintia. parlok katung ila poi sya kabakut jam ka thup khubo jingi mata ka janmiet hadu bangin de syam biang bat phi la shai ka sngi khublei phi baro
The novel coronavirus is a contagion that causes respiratory illness and can be transmitted from person to person through sneezing and coughing, close personal contact, and touching contaminated objects. But don't panic.